Blay Fibaro, ni pediang subhai pi sekali tu kubor jungi upet ngor cable news. Hashwa bagi napash ki kubor ki babnia ai negajan miet ngena hashwa syakimat bakongsan joko kubor mentak tayo. Antia jaka sanpo akar ke sarkar ban kentio ikam jungokai hanong mahir. Kiba persyaral ke dia melibat benia anak karel na mendi pasar ong i Dr. Amperin Lingdo. Beteng gejing penprai ki karkhana kok basnabian ha West Khasi Hills but East Jantia Hills. Kuberu ba AL hack ba gejing sna penbhai ki kamera trekam ha secretariat kade gejing pensep ke pisau pat ba. Shihajar shpangut ki samna lapen scam ban yokam ha katnat pulet ke jela Meghalaya. Daga building belajar kerteng kerpang Dr. Didi Lapang Blok ainam ke USTM ya gejing syagri bakordor jong Dr. Didi Lapang. Bat hiar kakam jung okai perthai ha kathan riwar batut ki pat ba ha galet kawan. Kakenhun Menteri Kebelai Kendu hak snipalai jong katayo kalashim ekarai ban tiat jaka sanpo akar ha kajaka hakathan nong mahir. Bat kalashim ru ekarai ban kentio ekador jong ko penyang diesel da sanpo naya. Nalor kini kakenhun Menteri kalashim ru yakiwe kirai. Habai keren bikin nong patai kubor hadin balawai ke jengelang jong kakenhun Menteri. Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong ba ke sarkar jela kala menjur bantiet ekejaka basanpo akar ha kapung nong mahir ha ke distrik Ribhoi. Na gebenta ban snai ke jingtai ban kentiu syuk ikikam jungokai ha ke jinglot ke bakot spok lor tengka. Kenang ban la ban pentrei ke projek baper ke bedai bat ke kam jungokai perthai. Uloong ba ke sarkar kan pentrei ke projek kam jungokai bat on snai ke resort bat kiwe ke bedai bat ke kam jungokai. Kakenhun Menteri Kalashim Ekarai ban penkiau no sanpo naya ya kador jong upnyang diesel haga jela kamtam habagador jong diesel hapdeng ke Meghalaya baka Assam ke per hado hendriau tengka arpulai naya. Ha Guwahati kador kalong kendai pu tengka lai pulai naya kat baha khana para hak distrik Ribhoi kalong prapasau tengka shipau naya.
Procurement of land for tourism infrastructure, which is being done near Nong Mahir Lake in Ribhoi. And this is being done, as I said, to increase the overall land bank with the state government so that tourism projects can take place. And we all know that this area, Nong Mahir Lake area, is very beautiful and very scenic and has a huge potential for tourism. And hence, with the procurement of this land, we will be able to take up tourism projects in this area. Second decision that was taken was regarding the increase in terms of the rate of tax on diesel. As you're aware that the price of diesel between Meghalaya and Assam as of now is quite high. Guwahati, the rate is 90 rupees 33 paisa. Whereas in Khanapara it is 84 rupees 10 paisa. That means a difference of 6 rupees 23 paisa in diesel is there right now between Khanapara and Guwahati. And hence, obviously looking at the overall revenue for the state, we have decided to increase it in a first stage by 50 paisa. And so as I said, we will keep two things in mind. Number one, that there should be kind of a difference in the rate so that we have a rate advantage between Guwahati market and the Ribhoi and Khanapara market. And number two, that we will always keep in mind the national average so that the overall rates do not go above the national average. And we have been always maintaining that Meghalaya is as of now maintaining one of the lowest rates of petrol price and diesel price in the country as of now.
Kakenhun Menteri kala ajing menjur ke Meghalaya Taxi Aggregator Operational Rules bantek lakam miki arsyaka ke bakamai hak jelam Meghalaya. Menteri Rangba uloong baya kenekaan ladap ban menjur naduk ke senam arhajar arpau. Hendrai amsyam matau pat iki rules kumta menta ke sarkar keladap bantau no yaki rules. Uloong bakat kum ki rules ka jingsyam ya ka bay license nagi reusimet ban nagi company ki bapeniat yakini ki arsyaka ke bakamai kan long hinyau sepat tengka hak sisnam na kawai ke tok bat lai sepat tengka ya ke bay permit kata lada ke jingkamai ke long tang hak kawai ke nongba negi district. Ndri lada ke jingkamai ke long hak jela berkawai kumta ke jingsiu kan long kat lai sepat tengka bat ar sepat tengka ke bay permit. Ukonrad Kongkal Sangma uloong berkesorkar keladap ru ban penkre ekador ban syem ikinong syong tok kamai kata 10 tengka na kebenta 10 kilometer. bat san tengka nagabenta ki kilometer ki bobot bat ka jingbat ya ki thuk kamai kan syong sau tengka nagabenta manla ka san minit Ulang bag sarkar kan penstam daga batang ikitu gi bashim dor palat pot na kinong syong ki thok na ki kali bat ki patba ki debet ujor kenang bag sarkar kan yok manle ya ka badan kam ya gini gi bashim palat pot ya ka dor ka balabu
but the rules were not framed, hence we have finally framed the rules, and hence there will be a basic license fee for individuals or companies, aggregators who would like to have this service. License fee of 700 rupees per year will be charged for per vehicle, and a permit fee of 700 or 300 if they are to operate from a specific location, which means a city or a district or a region. And if they were to operate throughout the state, then the amount would be 1300 rupees as license fee, and permit would be 200 only. So permit will be 200. I'm sorry, I said 300 for the permit. Permit is 200. So apart from these permits and license fees, which these aggregators, these are for the, as you said, even the two-wheeler aggregators. So this was set. We also finalized the rates at which the vehicles, the passengers will have to can be charged. So the rate is, the proposed fare is 10 rupees for the first kilometer and 5 rupees for subsequent kilometers, and a holding charge of 4 rupees for every 5 minutes. So this has been also finalized for the bike taxi. And obviously all these rules also come with basic rules that they should follow. Like for example, the app should be there, the GPS should be there, proper registration should be there, the identification of the driver should be available, and safety measures should be followed in every bike. So all those aspects have been put in detail in the rules, the Meghalaya Taxi Aggregator Operational Rules.
Ka Menteri Sarkar ke Jela Meghalaya Dr. Amperin Lingdo ibdeiru kanong aiktian jong ke Sarkar Jela. Hakasni baar jong tayo ilaong bagalentirel hamen di Pathar Railway Station kalayat Harilom Garo. Kumta kalong kebakongsan ba kino kiba persya ekarel bagi day benet pet bat ban kemi benia aswa laka don neem kajingmai kejat bendreu kibadon Harilom Garo. Kanong aiktian jong Sarkar Jela Dr. Amperin Lingdo ilaong bagi MLA ru kim shingan chu bat akini gisau benai kibalalet ki la sha penjular ki yeng ki sem jong ki kumta ki pulit ki ban yeng bat ban sheme karai ka beteng ilong baki MLA ki head officer ki bor pulit kin hab ban kren ya kawai ka ktien lem kumta kan sapoi ka babakla bat don kam ban penbet no ekne ka kam ban pene pensa ek jing shingan ka belong ka wei ne ki ba koridor tam ka jing im kani ka menteri sarkar kala banjor ka jing ton kam ban perking ya ka jing penon kam ki rensan social media bat kalong ka badon kam man le ka beteng persya ki bale tam uput bat kalong kebadan kam ban syong perkhat la kadon kam ne ban thau su ki an ban te la kam ki lang salang halor ka jing yo le lan hakiran san social media lem kumta kan sensyar ka jing le ki bam don chu ka an.
And these strict decisions may not always be favorable decisions. We have to get to the bottom of this indisciplined, careless attitude that is going on. Even MLAs are no longer safe. I mean, I think we all know that. We've seen so many MLAs and their homes being attacked in the last 4 months. So the police will have to rise and have to take firm decisions. And the first thing that we need to be careful of us to be on the same page. MLAs, administrators, the police force, we all have to speak the same language. Otherwise, it's going to go very wrong. And set things in order. Restore the sense of security. It's a very, very important component of life. And I'm sure that the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister is on the job. And I'm sure that the police are also rising to that necessity. And I feel that be as it may, we have to start putting things in order. We have to start putting things in order. It's not done. It is not done. And as an MLA, I speak. I don't speak on behalf of anyone. I just speak out of my observation that we have to firmly deal with usages of the social media forums. We have to deal firmly with crossing of lines. We need to sit and discuss whether or not we need to legislate more laws to prevent communities going out of hand like this. And not everybody is a bad person, but it's just that there are certain negative elements. We have to start working on how best to put them in order, to discipline people. Very, very important. Otherwise, this lawlessness will prevail, and there will be this sense that it is not under wraps or under check. And you can't say that the government is not doing anything. Lawlessness sometimes is a cooperative requirement. You just have to cooperate. All of us have to, as citizens, be cooperating with the system. Otherwise, it's going to be bad for everyone, and at that point of time, then we cannot regret. So I'm very, very confident that the police department is taking care of all of this.
Hakabede bagajing syakem jo ki khatsan ngut ki thei demet I Dr. Amprin lengdo ilong badai ban pentikna neng kong shwai kini ki jingte baro ilong bagi pulet menta kila sedang bantrai bat pentikna ban omdon kanu ke ban yang kai ni yak kai steng miet bat kinu ki ban bo ya ki brio hakajing ma bat ha ban long ki bapet ngor ki bahusiar bat ki pulet kila le akakam ke badai ke badon kamru bandon ki wei pat kilat kelinti ban pentikna haswa ban kam ba kinu ke bayang surok kidai kinong demet namar kaniru kalong babakla.
I feel that they're doing the right thing, and we need to purge to the furthest extent possible anything that will put anyone in any harm. We have to be vigilant, we have to be alert, and I think the police is doing the right thing. And we need to have several other factors to first verify before you can consider every woman standing on a road as a sex worker, because that is also incorrect. We must have some parameters, we must have some specific indicators that suggest such. So I also feel that too much of policing is also not good, but the lack of it is also not good. I think what we need right now is to request the public to start policing themselves. And if you want to have your fun like you do, if you want to be seen going out late hours of the night, then you have to act responsibly. I mean, the moment the police are involved in this kind of a vigilante, then it becomes a problem, because you need to then decide. And it is a very tricky situation. So let us see what the result will be, and then maybe we will be briefed also. And there was certain data that is very glaring, that needs to be also taken into consideration before you actually restrict a certain sector of vehicles going to a certain area in the city. There are over 2 lakh vehicles apparently that are plying, private vehicles that are plying the city of Shillong every day. Whereas I'm told by the Honorable Deputy CM Charge of Home that there are just about 1600 odd taxis that have been registered in the city of Shillong. So the point here is that you need to then evaluate. Shall we look at these 1600? Are they the only deterrents of traffic flow, or are there other factors also? So, see, decisions have to be taken based on indicators that will justify, you need to justify any action you take. So whether or not it would also be necessary therefore to revert into the odd even for all vehicles. Because if you're isolating a certain section of drivers, then again it becomes a problem. So are you looking at the 2 lakh plus vehicles, or are you just looking at the 1600 vehicles? Where is this traffic mismanagement happening? And people are refusing to self discipline themselves also on the streets. Drivers are parking wherever they want. There is no, if you expect that numbers of traffic cops should be equivalent to the defective drivers, then it's going to be difficult, yeah. So it's something that we have to sit and discuss and take a call on together collectively. So it's not about administration bringing out a notification, then again not bringing the notification. It's about this whole perspective that needs to be taken into consideration before you get into any decision taking. I think the first thing you have to do is discuss with your MLAs.
Habayakran bagi nong patai kubor i Dr. Amprin lengdo iloong bagarel kelapoi hado hamen di pathar. Bad kalong kabakong san bhai kino ki bapersa ekarel ban pej bad ban let ban wat benia lakadon kajing sisa ne kajing ma ban pendo ya gireulum harilum garo. Namar kajing wan karel. Iloong bakin don ki bakarsan bad ki ban persa ekarel. Nrekat kum kajing tip jong kementri sorkar ka railway station hamen di pathar kelawan ra ki babha na kebenta karilum garo. Kani ganong ay kitian jok sorkar kalong bakino ki bapersa ekarel ki di bandet chamen di pathar bandet kemi bat penlong ya kajingwat benia la kadon ne em kajingwan rong kertep ki break nabar. La kaladon ne em kajing sya pendo pendam no ya ki ulum. Ilong bawat la yem syem la pulia benia andre itip bagi jing penmi ne kajing sna ki banarilum garo mentala penkit ki wei pat gejaka ha kajing lut ke badunador. Pat hatu ke sorkar kan syem ki senjam ban peniar susu ekarel ke jela yem tip ikani. Andre rilum garo kalong kebakloi. Kumta kathan kebakloi ban yo pediang nengkong Andre ya kathan kebapersa ke sorkar kan omrai banelek persa ya kamon upat ba.
Wherever we have an operating railway head, let us go there and find out. The impact assessment study means that. Go to that place, go to that railway head and find out the pros and cons, the negatives and the positives. Whether or not it is also possible to have. I know that technology has advanced greatly, but then if you notice, every other hill station only has one railway track, and that is usually a tourist or a tourism project. It's very rarely, a lifeline for that hill station. Look at Shimla, look at Darjeeling. They continue to only be tourism projects. Let us see whether this works. But then Mendi is doing very well, I'm told. It's just that I have not engaged actively, but from hearsay, a lot of our products are going across at a much cheaper rate. Technology and other exchange activities are also now coming into Garo Hills much quickly. So let us see. I'm not aware. But we have seen the railways operate up to Medipathar. And it's important for whoever is objecting to the railways to figure out, are we doing the right thing? It's not for me to decide alone. If left to me alone, it would have been a different thing. But now, look at how Garo Hills is benefiting from the Mendi railway station. We need to be real. We need to really go and study. Is there really a threat to the dilution of our communities in Garo Hills because of the railway? We have to have set missions. We need to focus ourselves. You can't just blindly say, no, this is something you should not do or you should do. But if you ask me to comment, I will not comment any further. Because you have, as always, a divergent view of the public. There will be those that are for railways, there will be those that are against railway. So, we need to figure out what exactly we want as a community without a bias. Because the moment you begin to have a bias, then the problem comes. But I think whoever's opposing to railways should at least go to Mendi and find out and do a case study, find out whether or not this influx has happened, whether or not there is a dilution of tribal communities there. I haven't embarked on any study as such, but I know that a lot of their produce and products are now being transported far more efficiently and at a lesser cost.
Ha kabayday bat ka jingdawa ka kanhuan Aceh ban penlong ya kanong ba atura kom ka winter capital jong ka jela. I Dr. Amprin lengdo ilong bakum kane ka jingdawa kamlong ka babha ban ai bat ka nong ba jong ka jela ka dai betang hasulong bat om day ban penslur na ailat akum kane ka jingdawa. Namar bandon kata kanong ba man lagi jaka haman lagi samoy kamlong ka babha bat kan bakla ka rukom sensyar kadar. Lieto bau menteri rangba ke Jelau Konrad Kongkal Sangma unsi kenduk pada keran ginong elam jong ke Aceh ha ke Arab Sautarik menta ubnai.
The state of Meghalaya has a very divergent combination of districts. So now everybody, in my opinion, everybody is going to be rising and saying, bring the winter capital here, bring the spring capital there, bring the summer capital there, then it's all going to go wrong. The very fact that so many blocks have recently been installed and put in position. What is the idea behind the installation of all of these blocks? Basic idea is to bring administration closer to the public. It would be not correct to consider any kind of a capital anywhere else. We are in Shillong, it is the capital, and we hope that these demands should not be entertained. That is my personal view, because we will be in trouble if every district now starts saying, bring this to my district, bring that to my district. It will be difficult for us to administrate. Very fact that MLAs now are going all the way to, ministers are now going all the way to various parts of the district with that one intention. We can come to your district, review your matters, take care of matters, and be there to make sure that you do not feel left out in governance. But we can't have summer capital there, winter capital there, spring capital there, autumn capital here. It's not possible.
Ka Sarkar Jela Kelabeteng ban penprai ki karkhana kok ki belasna bean ki beren hakeleng ka West Khasi Hills bad East Jantia Hills. Bad gani kejing penprai ki karkhana kok kanai beteng hadian bagi nong penia jong kini ki karkhana kim shim la yo jingbet ban seng ya kini ki karkhana ko.
Recording करो हाँ करिए ready
Habapai ke distrik West Khasi Hills ki borpeniat distrik ladap ban penprai ki atas khana jong ki khatlai teli ki karkhana kok belasna bean ki beran ha distrik bala botong ban penpralot ikisan punyo teli ki karkhana kok bean hapo kalai posngi nalor kejing penprai kini ki karkhana bean ki bor distrik leo Kemru ya ki hendrumut ki trai jong kini ki karkhana bala pengat iki hagi kenon an jong ke Environment Protection Act ke Explosive Substances Act bat Benami Transaction Prohibition Act arhajar kanrio Kisan penyutli ki karkhana kok bean ki badan hakatan Chalang kidai ki bala syakang kerdap ki bor distrik nadu uno opera kasnam arhajar arpuar kat gum gejing betha joki yang syari Meghalaya High Court kajing penprai kini ki karkhana bean kadai ban pentikna bakin omla ban trekam syu kajing penprai ki karkhana kok bean kala trekam ru ha ke distrik East Jantia Hills ha ka baki bor peniat distrik ila penprai arteli ki karkhana kok bean ki bakin thop ya ka halari kok plant bat ka Shoriansi kok ke badan hakatan sutengah East Jantia Hills. Bat kene ke jinglet penprai kini ki karkhana bean ki baterai kam sop-sop kandang yai beteng. Nong yalam jang keseng san partai BJP ubasan borsulai ubalang ru MLA ke South Shillong constituency. Ula kentu ke Sarkar Pedeng bakam dai ban pentrekam ya ka Uniform Civil Code ha ke Jela Meghalaya. Bat unet buat den ru halor kejeng dawa ban penterikam ya ke inline permit bat ban penrong ya ke ketian kasi ha ke 8th schedule jong ke triti sensyari. Habai keren bikin patai kubor uba san bor sulai ulong bauladab ban pha akishiti show chairman kalau commission justice Ritu Raj Awasthi bat penpau balada penterekam ya ka uniform civil code UCC Meghalaya kan kata ekariti dastur jong gijat benrio ke berana kejela bat kan tuklar ke jinglong kerpang ha ke bedai bat ke jinghiar pateng ke ba kejela ka aish khon kenthai ulong bakum kadak ban pensanam bat pensarong ke jinglong kerpang ka Meghalaya kat kum kariti dastur ka balada nadu menchwa Kesorkar pedeng kadai ban pelat ya kejing penterekam ya ke UCC ha Meghalaya bat ong bakino kino kian ba penterekam ha pokari India ke di ban long kian ke beda ke riti dustur kam tam kiret pat jong tan stelam mingi ubasan bor sulai ulong ba kesorkar pedeng keladap ban penterekam ya ke CAA bat kala pelat ru ikjaka ke bahap kejing kemi kiri ulum bat ya ke UCC ru amdai ban penterekam ikjaka ba syong kiri ulum ha Meghalaya Ubasan bor sulai ulong buladap bine selok ru bat Menteri Rangba Kejela Asam Himanta Biswa Sarma ubelong ru chairman jong North East Democratic Alliance ha kebede ke UCC bat Shen on Nature Delhi ban penpau kinong yalam ke BJP ban om penterekam ya ke UCC ha Meghalaya bat on ru ban buat den lor kejing dawa ban penterekam no ya ke inline permit ha Meghalaya bat ban pendrong ya ke ketian khasi ha ke 8th schedule jong gariti sensyari
bat belum malagum justru kalau ba ni hang ne apo Meghalaya apo North East ana po state ana jela juga gelong ba yangi la kudup apo ka section the constitution kabamut kabakongsan ang tu gelong ba kadai ban yada yangi kiret pa te kila bu kerpang ni apo kata ka umbrella kan kata state to ka section nomor bakar hukum im gurukom bam gurukom di gurukom kata culture kajungi gaya fair baba di wi de tuan apa di istilah Korea de kumbalong ka CEA hal kapur ka ba ladun ka dila notify ba menteri kami ka CEA de nagaliang kajonga kumu no mikmat atau kapur apa ya ru del hiru bandra memorandum bandun bor ya ke office jong PMO office mereka office jong Prime Minister malai kedua marhmat yo Amit Shah ji Home Minister rokan habai ni si kalau kumju ke ba ni kwa ba kanum penterekam ban exam dan di banweng ya ka napok sexual area mendang niki jaga ulum kejungi ko ba stil di lajungi ba accordingly hadin ba ngalaya ba jong chairman jong Canada Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma orang Chief Minister jong Assam ubadai ru chairman jongka BJP jongka neda ngalaya keren sabadu nang tu uru la rekomend bat ngala poi bat cedo deni tuju yang komentaru hari mengalaya pej ba ba di nomor cangi jonga ngalaya study ba kan dengan UCC kam ya ha kan makala kita ya kan ka customary law ka sini customary practice ka bangi ong mo nadu ka kami yang kamsem ka kam songkha songman karkom im kabam kadi akor burom kati beriu ti blai bular ter te kham tam ngi lik je beri ko de kerpang ba ka khamnya ka ba ni follow la ni ya ja ta Mediterranean system akaba ni burom ya ka kumi ni aja chaka kumi ni aja chaka sekalong kumi ta gaya per ba telada penterekam di UCC kan kata sebut dapi on di balang hagi balang ba per kidan ki ba ya ki penya tho apo ki balang ki badan apo ki balang dan ki bomde apo balang ki badan ka nyam tanrai ki penya tho lang ba komite jo nyam tanrai ba kumtar ter te ladakan ka UCC ka terekam kumut ka snatch away no ya kita ki kirukom praktis ada dia di balang ne kepada yaki aki bomdegi di balang Kristan mod karukom sensar ha no do dor bar snong dor be ma dor bar sim kuntar ter kan mundon su liberty ajeng lailu yaki begini sensar lailu kan kata ang ne ta kan kata semua dengan asu semua ngaso long concern ba ya kan te hadin tu nilai rai hadin iski nilai song bat menin hing lapen ngalapa no ya ka city siau Shri Rituraja Awasthi ubolong chairman jaga Union Law Commission ngala de keren lu Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma urlaong ban pai city kang bukum barong ya si nak jangan jong uru kumu chairman ngala ya keren menin ban ngala batai ngala pa city utana ngala ayu dengan ada bosok usau yang nak city kenal yang uru urlaong whenever I go to Delhi perselingan lo yang itu kan saya kan Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma kalau kita bersetunat bagi chairman lu badai napa jangan ada NEDA North East Democratic Alliance kemudian aku juga hal juga satri kasuk bahangi nama ba udah mau dengan itu issues concerning ya issues kebakta itu lah but kat kum parti BJP kabang kum MLA juga BJP ngaju yang lembah with due consultation baru Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma yang awit ba buromba berkat kibanan ki issues ki bala ki badaihi ki barang genuine used to take up two number long very powerful hopefully ba kanum sab age kum bagalong ay kasi kalong success bagadum pertreka mapo accessible area lani gini ki cagaru belum gijongi batkanero kalong kumjuhi kabangan ya fight tooth and nail but hopefully jinyakan baru Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma menindru kalau keba Aimin Sim keba uru udon ke Sofia kalau macam ni keba ya tu ukip ha nama udah yu napa Guwahati na Assam ukip ba ya ka region gustur ni hasil hopefully ba kan solong kunju i ba long extended napa ka state macam ni very soon agini isi ngala persang ru ban bupor with issues keba dai ya ka state di Barakawai agak beda konsumsi, agak beda duit issues, ngan selit diri, ngan sayo ya keren, yo buat appointment baru chairman juga law commission lu baru union minister juga lo. Dengan sisi kepengalai kumne, ngalapan poin so chief minister, jungi lu konrad sangma, ji nang taru baca i law minister juga Steve Jungi i Dr. Amparin Lengdok.
Menteri Kesorkar Jelau bakmi ya ke Secretariat Administration uba ALHEC. Ula ong buon sapan jingtip na ketenat PWD Buildings hagabayday bat gajing penlut hagajing snapen bah ya ki kamra jogi Menteri Sorkar bat ki kamra jogi Chairman ha Secretariat. Kamtam haba keladon gajing keno ba gajing penlut kelakot deki paulak tengka ban maramot tang ya kawai ke kamra. Uba ALHEC uloong bajan barok ki kamra jong ki Menteri Sorkar ladap ban snapen bah bat maromat temai bat ki kamra jong chairman co-chairman bat ki weru la snapen bah tang ba dan jengtip kakno la penlut aga jing snapen bah ka wei ka kamra trekam na marabaya kan ka kam la IT ya ketenat PWD Buildings. Unio Menteri Sorkar ula kubur bagi dan ki kamera terekam ki beladan kam shisha ban maramot na sinapan bahano. Hendrai ki ladan pat ki kamera terekam ki bam pat don kam ban sinapan bah bat kumta kani ke jengle akalong ke jeng penlut kaya ke pisau pat ba. Uba ALHEC uloong bawa kiwe kliat cakmat ban sinapan thamai ki kamera terekam hendrai shim na tre ban sinapan bah ne ban pak maramot ka kamera ka bukla syong na do ka senam arajar khat lai. Halor ka jing keno ba ka jing ya keren bagi babon balang ba ka jing snapen bahai ka ka kamera ka kot ya palat san paulak tengka na kaliang ba ALHEC ulong ba dan jing tip na marabaya ka ni ka kam lale da ka PWD Buildings. Hendai ko menteri ba kami akatanat Secretariat Administration un sapan ni jing tip halor ka jing penlut baro haga ba ka jing snapen bah ya ki kamera trekam ha Secretariat ba additional Secretariat.
Ka baki snapen bah ni apa main Secretariat ba apa additional Secretariat.
Agi jingi junga te manu staff to mai wakat bawan renovate be kamera lajong manu chairman ru renovate be kamera lajong kat ki bawan ki ko ban pentamai be kamera lajong ki da ka ba pha ya ga SD ban le ya kata pakai SD ka ai sega PWD Building menteri ya jinon kam jong ini ki kamera baro.
Kisko lang baka ni ka jing penbahai ni ka kamera ka detang ka jing pelut pensap kaya ka pesapat ba na marbang iba kidon ki kamera ki bom don kam. ban penbha na sna thmai ki
kata ka don ka syongnya kata ka nongrim ka mam pi ong tama don ki kamra ki badon kam badon ki kamra menurut kamru la supen lut ka ya ka bisa jong pai ba
atau bede ka kamera ka jongpi pilan do bono ka jingtmu bo penpha ban sna penbha kum ba sna ni we pat ki menteri sarkar
pihak ni kamera ka bang syong mata ka sospa iwe terun nombor 401 la syong ini nado arajar khalai badado bang syong tangi we break bertemaru kalmla hamsi le renovation ru em kini kamera namar bangam kwa ban pulut penserwakai ya ka pisau pai ba tekai ke pengaduan man syong la long kon ben layo ka chuki ban syong bo biang layo ka meet ban trekam bo biang layo ki sofa ki balade na do tu por arajar khalai kalau mga keju sofa kilong ke babiang dengan 10 kai bele yu ya ka bisa jong pai ba
ha kabai dai ba jing tmu ban pentri kami ke uniform civil code agri India berokoi nagaliang ba al hek ubalong ru nong elam ke BJP ulong ba kalong ba ban kren ne ban kentho yamenta ya ke UCC namar ba ampadi ya ke jing pen kre ne kabel bat ki ke bran hapo jong ne kabel ulong pat balada ke UCC ka kta apat iginong Meghalaya ne kinu kinong shnong ne kta kanu ka jat jing mane blai hapo kri India on don bala ban khang persya yaki kat kum ka hok ka balapen kop leng ba kri ti sensyari parulong ba dai ban sya ban wanra ya kum kini gejadan hapo kri
mermenta gedang le ya ke draft paper ta ke draft paper ngi padu kenai kenya chalo ngani ka UCC te mental bon gue state ru kia persya ya gani UCC te ngahi naladi ngom be kanu kanuru kabakta yano nuru kidong India lada deki kidong sa hapo Meghalaya ni kidong sa Assam ni kibasa si Delhi ni basa si Kashmir ru namar bagidi kidong India hi kidi banyo ka chu ka hop ya ka reti sensal ke imlang salang hapo gari India jungi bro koi kabaru gamdi bendon kanu nuru apa persya ya kanu kajai mani jimani lada degi babani aga rekom mani Kristen kemget ya kiru umla ban khang ki babani ka Hindu ru ya kiru umde ban khang bagi babani ka jingmani Muslim ne Buddhist ne Jainism ni kanu ru bagi don la jong jingmani kadi ka personal ka jongki nginum don mala ban khang ya ka personal jongno ru
karun kini ka jing kena yang bala depan cari kami ka UCC kan penduk pendam no taki reti ki dustur tanrai dong jek beliau kasih
kata ngala yosgo na babun ha bagi ongom ta bala da kawan ni UCC kala bendu pendam no ya jinglong tanrai ya reti ki dustur jong genu ga jek beliau kamta me yang i kinong Meghalaya ba jing no DC boragoi tengah hingga ongi pikir bangin padiui ya ka draft jong ga UCC ga iga jengkwa jong ga UCC ga nampala manong ru emado menta namar do mentaru da syu asrobe lagi kot kubor da syu asrobe lagi kana nawat nawai dar
lada ka jing persya kalau ka bejur na borok bat jong ka jelam Meghalaya atau ko menom jong ka BJP kan kuntu na midiki nang lam ka BJP ki badan Port Delhi bagaimana penteri kami ka UCC ka Meghalaya
ngang bai tanggung ni namar bagi pada tip bah ka iga jengkwa ka iga jing don kam jong ga UCC tak tadi kan orang kanu ru ka persya ya kanu ka jet bedrio ada gigi tribal ni gigi general ni gigi schedule caste ni gigi OBC ni kino ru lada gidi na kanu ka jet balang ka manu ba la jong jingen yang mulai bisa menawarra yang kita kijaj hapo kari India ke joi
nang yesa ban ngin ka banta ki bai pat ki khubor ngin swan pai hadin kini kijing pen mana
Condom gives you protection from HIV, sexually transmitted infections, and unwanted pregnancies. Protect yourself and your partner with consistent condom use. Avail free condoms from any of the integrated counseling and testing centers in government hospitals. Dial toll-free number 1097 to know more about HIV and AIDS.
No PCN yang negajan miet ngena pai biang segi benta jangka kubor. Hagasngi palai jangka tayo ko wei kalong kemi rengkat bad arngut ki kelung kilaman saujur. Haba ko wei ka kali kala tenra ka kali ka bagi syong bad kani ke jingja kala ja ka por mensngi hakalat ban lej syaka office u deputy commissioner ka badan hanong po haka district Riboy. Haga jingja aksiden ka balaja haka no pai sngi jangka arpo trik naitung arhajar arpulai ko balangut ki breu kilaman saujur kentop ya arngut ki kelung. Hadian bagawi kali Marti Car 800 kepada new number ML Not Sankie Not Nyo Arlai ke lej Banten Ra Markmat ekawai pat kali Marti Grand Vitara kepada new number ML Shpaui R Not Nyo. Bat kini kejengja kelajah hakalat manage office deputy commissioner Hanong Po hak district Riboy. Katkum kejengtip beliau alum kini kejengja aksiden kelajah hadian bagawi kali Maruti Car kebalanya ada pi Kongjo na down gate. Kat ba udang temu ban let Ceciliang jong ke Surok Ba National Highway Bahenriau. Kalau kum let tenrak nak kemat ekawai ke kali Grand Vitara ke berangwan nak kawai pat kaliang. Hagani ke jingja arngut ki kelung bat kawai kelong kemie ki besyong hagani ke kali Grand Vitara kelaman saujur bat lapen kit marmar syaka Bethany Hospital Outreach banyo ke jing sumar. Nak kaliang ki pulit ke nongpo traffic branch ki dang penlong ke jing tokit halor kani ke jingja.
Kibusong akini jonga kidon saungut arngut laingut kelung sak debat ba ngawan jejai ngawan sauni yang milik sesutan cendawai ngawan jejai dah din ngawan jejai kawan kensan begali katenrak inga ngalak kiar te trafik romdon re dengin ngaremang galak yang mo dan kawan tenrak di direct dah dengan laya surang ngawan jejai dengan ngemut bagai yang ini maksud kau yang aneh itu dah tuan kensan ke tenrak pun beda mengakan riak dah
balak masau juga sampai kali nanti.
Masau laingut sah
Mana
dan mikna buat tukun jong kena
Bang Tio warna bat
ngawan
Tio na menyakaran ba unir driver jong ni kuai kali pa.
Mio sudah sar mo ba lapet dah. Mio sudah na ndap sak berwai.
Banang mau ya. Dia break surnya, tidak Pak. Kalau mencegah menjuk lah break juk empan lah serta. Ambil bos dah.
Palat Syih Hajar ngut kisamla watkam kejela mentah kilas kem bagi layo kam sarkar. Hadian bala IT haki kiduler thongkam haga tenat pulet kejela Meghalaya. Ya kini kiduler thongkam lasam shikisamla haga jingalang kebelalong haga arpui terik mentah unaitung arhajar arpulai haga Shillong International Center for Performing Arts and Culture Sikpak kabadan hamau kasiang Haniu Shillong. Hagani kejingyalang kebela penelong hagani kesengi alkohol jong ke Shillong International Center for Performing Arts and Culture Sikpak bansa mikidulir thongkam niki appointment letter syagi samla kebela penskam bagi layo akam haga tenat pulit kejela Meghalaya. Laidon rengkat Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum Kongsan bad usembut Menteri Rangba Kejela ubak Preston Tunsong kum usembut Kongsan ubabat ru ketenat Home Police. Kiwede kebledon lang hakan kejingelang ki kentup u Director General ki Pulit Kejela u Dr. LR Bishnoi u Chief Secretary Kejela uba Donald P Walang uba Francis G Karshiyeng u MGT Moment bat kiwede ki officer jong ketenat Pulit. Hagani kesini lasa miki appointment letter Syaki Syih Hajar pengut ki samla kentai bat cenrang ki baki bor bade kemi hakal yang ketungkam kili ibet banjet na ki Shilak Sanpau Hajar ngot ki bela thap kerteng. Na kikti jong Konrad Kongkal Sangma ki balayo diang ya ki appointment letter kini kesini ki de gitu ki badang kam kena atam ki bakentup ya iba palais imle Ferdinand Charmang Jessica Karbuki bat Megana di Sangma.
To congratulate each and every one of you for having successfully made it to this point where the final selection has taken place. And out of almost 1,59,537 applicants. We have finally come to the final list, and today all of you will be receiving your certificates. So as mentioned by the previous speakers, that this is indeed a very, very important day in your life. And I'm sure each and every one of you must be feeling very proud. And I'm sure that your family members must be equally proud of your achievement. We may be having our positions and our responsibilities and the way we serve different. The routes might be different, the roads might be different, the channels might be different, but the purpose is the same. And hence, while you serve and while you are tough in what you're doing, which is necessary, because discipline is important, law and order is important. As Deputy Chief Minister said, we must also ensure that we care for the people who are there. Sometimes it will be the toughest points for you to balance the two. But I hope that as you move ahead in your career, you will ensure that you keep this entire purpose in your mind of serving the people. As you're aware, Shillong is our capital, and at the same time, a lot of the law and order situations happen in Shillong, or the epicenter, I should say, is most of the time in Shillong. And hence, only having an SP city may not be sufficient to ensure that we are able to give proper law and order in the city and the capital. And hence, like other capitals in other parts of the country, have a commissionerate. We are proposing that the commissionerate should be here, and we have discussed this. Honorable Deputy CM himself is taking personal interest in this, and very soon we will be having this particular commissionerate here in Shillong. At the same time, we have also realized that we have different outposts, police stations, different other branches of the police department, and in all these areas we've seen that though the offices and the different infrastructures are there, the different manpowers are not sufficient. And hence the policing that we expect and the kind of results that we expect from the grassroots, we are not able to get those results because of the lack of manpower in certain cases. And hence we have taken a conscious decision that we will ensure there are roughly, we have just made a very rough estimate, but we will of course keep working on it more in the coming days, but a rough estimate of approximately 2,000 of such posts right now are there, where we need to immediately fill up these vacancies. And hence a very, very fast process of recruitment will take place. Again, Honorable Deputy Chief Minister himself is leading this, and they have had multiple meetings, and we are targeting. Again, I mentioned we are targeting. It's not an easy target because there could be challenges. We are targeting that anything between 6 months to 9 months, within this period of time, we are hopeful that all these 2,000 posts will be occupied and we'll be able to put manpower in these 2,000 posts. So this will again be a huge benefit, especially to our younger generation, where the employment that is there in these areas will come out for our youth of the state, and that is another area which we're going to be focusing on. And I would urge the DG and the chairman of the recruitment board that we should take every step possible to ensure that these vacancies are filled up at the earliest.
You lend a hand, protecting our community. Each step you take will make you stronger too.
Embrace the challenge and let your courage soar. For you are the heroes we've been waiting for.
Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakan long keba shibon man keren menta halor ka uniform civil code kat ba padi nedep ban penmi ka draft bill bad ula penrem jorru ikipat bhor kiblale klam akor ki arngut ki kenthai daga ba penyat lengkhot yaki ha Kejela Manipur. Menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bakalong ke badang kloy banong halor ke uniform civil code namar hadu mentaru pada penkre kene ke bil bad padi iru ya kanu kuno kejing tho ha kejing penwandur ya ke UCC bad ki ke badan hapok kene ke bil ulong bakan empat long banong namar ba padi ya kene ke bil ndre ke UCC kalong kamat ke bad ke bakhya bah bad kumnu kan long kadai ke bampat syai kedar Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong basisian balapan mi ka draft bill kumta ke sarkar kan sasyong perkhat halor kene gamat.
Yes, we have sent a request and at a personal level. I was in the India meeting last time and I have discussed with the Honorable Home Minister and told him that I would like to come with my cabinet and meet him on a large number of issues regarding the state. And during that visit, whenever he gives the time to us, definitely we'll raise up other issues also that were discussed, including the ILP issue. Number two, regarding the UCC, as I said, I have maintained my stand from day one that as a concept, of course, it sounds very complicated because obviously India is a very diverse nation. But at the bottom of the whole thing, we have not seen the draft, so we cannot comment on anything till we don't see what is going to be there in the UCC draft. So therefore, there's nothing to say, to be frank. I mean, but I just commented on the concept which was there, and it's very complicated. It's very sensitive. So obviously, how it will be brought out and what form it will be brought out, we don't know. So till it's not brought out, I think it'll be difficult for me to make any comment. And I think it's no reason also for us to talk. So once a draft is out, if it is out, then we can sit down and then maybe we can discuss on which para is acceptable or not, and what should we do. So till that time, I think there's no need to discuss this. But as I've mentioned from day one, as a concept, it's very complicated. And obviously, India is a very diverse nation.
Hadian kejing sapriang ga video jongki arngut ki kenthai ki belasya penyat lengkhoj hakmat upat ba cha alek klam akor ha Kejela Manipur kabadan ha pedang kejing snam nagaliang menteri Rangba Kejela Meghalaya ula penram jore kene kejing lek klam akor bad ula dawa badiban penstom da kebateng yakini kebadan kti ha kene ka kampaman Conrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba unsapha da kejing tho sya menteri Rangba aduk kari sya katnat kor barri ka sarkar pedang bad sya menteri Rangba Kejela Manipur Haga bayadai bat kene kejingja bat bandawa badai ban penstom da kebateng yakini kebadan kti ha kene ka kampaman.
The Manipur incident act is very, very disturbing. Number one, it is really something that just shouldn't have happened, and the government must take action against all these people who have done this. As I said, I repeat again that this is completely unacceptable what has happened, and strong action must be taken.
So, will you write also to the Chief Minister of North?
Absolutely, to the Chief Minister as well as to the Home Ministry and to the Honorable Prime Minister also. You must be aware that even before this, about a month back, I have already written to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister regarding certain measures and actions to be taken in Manipur, not as Chief Minister of Meghalaya, but as a political party. So, just let me finish. To write to the Honorable Prime Minister and the Home Minister for this. So, we have been doing that. In the last all-party meeting that was called, I had attended personally, and we have been stressing on this. So yes, this incident, as I said, is very disturbing, and we will press that all measures should be taken so that action is taken against those who are guilty.
Menteri Rangba Kejelam Meghalaya Conrad Kongkal Sangma uloong basyan hakajinglet kejong Sharilom Garo. Uni kendo ikinong elam jangka kenhuan Aceh Conscious Holistically Integrated Krima nek Aceh. Kiba penlong ya kajing syatngan, bandawa ban penlong ikanong ba atura kum ka winter capital. Bat bandawa pentreka meka roster system naduk gisnam kiba mensyua. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bau Deputy Commissioner ula pentip ula dep benekren bat kinong elam jangka Aceh. Bat kila penpau kikwa bane kendo yo Menteri Rangba haba unwan Sharilom Garo. Bat kumta ken sapensange no ekajing ki jongki. Halor kajing dawa ke Aceh ban pentrekam naduk gisnam kiba mensyua ke roster system. Konrad Kongkal Sangma uloong bak sorkar kelakaran syai bat shimru ikarai ban penkela temai ke office memorandum bat kendai tang hadian bakladap bani selok bat baru ke badan benta bat wat ka kenhun Aceh ru keladon lang ha ke jingelang. Uloong bah ke jingelang ka kenhun Aceh kala penpau ke jing sokya baladap ban pensyai kini ke jing sokya bat hadian ke jingelang la shim lang ya ke jing sngau nagi babun kibrio bat ke sorkar kelaya cekamat bat ke office memorandum. Kumta banit pai biang bat ban kemi biang sasisian kalong ke bae abha. Halor ke jingdawa ya ke winter capital Menteri Rangba uloong bagi benta bat kimat jong ki kampenroy kalong ke bakong santam ke sorkar MDA. Kamtam ban pentikna bagi kampenroy onle akatarukom ke babarok kithan bagi jaka kin yo bentalang. Uloong ba unsasyong banekran bat ke kenhun Aceh ban pensngutu yaki ya ke jing mentoy lang ba ke jingdon jong mini secretariat. Hagaban CE ki kampen roy habro kiliang hagajing sa mi ki scheme bagajing don ki borsen syar ki baklan hagani ki sni banwan bat ki snam banwan Konrad Kongkal Sangma uli thu ru ba kajing te ya ka ying ulat hatura kala jandap artat bat la kemi denti ba hapo kan ka snam kan ka ying sa ulat kan sedang bantre kamno.
See, the demand actually is to get an administration that's closer, and this is a step towards it. Of course, there is a lot more to be done, and there are a lot of aspects are there, but everything cannot be done in one go. But what is important to note is that very strong efforts are being made by the government to do that. So one has to understand those limitations, one has to understand the concerns and challenges we face, but at the same time see the kind of initiative and the work that is being done to show our sincerity and commitment towards every section of society and every region of the state. So that is the important part. I always tell people that ultimately whatever demands are there, they are all for overall economic development. So the end goal at the end of the day is to have overall economic development in the state and in the region. And hence people look at different ways and mechanisms of trying to get that particular development through certain steps. So if the development can reach, then it addresses the real concern of the people, which is, as I said, economic backwardness. And hence, as I said, we are taking steps at multiple levels to address those concerns.
Ka National Education Policy NEP Arhajar Arpau ka sedang bantrekam hagi babuan ki jaka pule hagi bai pat kijela. Lengba ka National Education Policy kindon shibon ki jingkela ha karukom pule ki balong na kebenta ka jingpha ki kena pule bat ki bayahap katkom kene kejuk ke bamenta. Ka Sekolah North Eastern Hill University Shillong ru kala betha ya barok ki college ki bapenyaso bat kene ke sekolah ban penterekam no ya ka undergraduate program ka ba sausnem naduk pasedang ka jing pulie jong ka snem Arhajar Arpulai Arhajar Arpusau ya gani lapen bena dagi bor bahalor jong ka sekolah North Eastern Hill University ha ka jing kenduk bagi nong patai kubor ha ka khat khandai terik menta unai tung Arhajar Arpulai ha Shillong Press Club. Ka Sekolah North Eastern Hill University ha ka khat khandai terik unai tung Arhajar Arpulai kalaong bagi college Meghalaya ki bahab apo ka North Eastern Hill University bagi day ban pentrai kam no ya ka National Education Policy NEP arhajar arpo bal ada kim pentrai kam nagabenta ki course undergraduate ki kena kinduk jing mentoy u Vice Chancellor ke Sekolah Ba Northeastern Hill University Professor PS Shukla ulong ba ke Sekolah Ba kalong ya baro ki college ki bapeniaso bat kanehu bagi day ban pentrai kam no mardor ya ki NEP arhajar arpo bat day ban le akania nado kasnem pule ke bamenta ke ban sedang ha ubnai nailar ki hek skul ba nihu kilaong babon na ki Central University Hakari kila pentrai kam ya ki NEP na ke bentaki college ki bapni sobat ki balada ki kena pule ha Meghalaya ki buat ya kerukom kabarim kin sedu nong ha ki babon kiliang ulong bagi college ha Meghalaya ki bahap hapo jongkenehu kilawat jingerap bat ban kumno ban le ha ka bede ban penkela ya ke puli puthi ha ka bede bat ka jing batha ka bede kat kum ke NEP u Professor PS Shukla ulong bakin don ki jing e ha ba pentrai kam ya kane ka policy ke bathamai henrei ki bor peniat college ki dei ban ya keren bakanehu bat ban penpau ki jing e joki khnang ban la ban weng ya kini ki jing e
which is also endorsed by the Executive Council of the University, and we'll be starting the 4-year undergraduate program in as envisaged by the NEP 2020 regulations with effect from the coming academic sessions. A proper communication has been made to the principals of the affiliated colleges of the university as well, to all the concerned stakeholders with the NEHU, along with NEHU. And we have been rigorously working on the new education policy. We have set up a committee on the implementation of new education policy, chaired by Professor Sherwin M. Sumo, who is also now the chairperson of the State Education Committee, to implement this new State Education Committee. Her team, Professor Sumo, along with her team, has done a rigorous job in framing the new education syllabus for the undergraduate courses, and which has been, as I've already mentioned, has been passed by the Academic Council and duly endorsed by the Executive Council. I have with me here the letter which we sent to all the principals of the affiliated colleges.
We already have implemented new education policy for the PG student and the academic session of 2022-23. For UG student, we had already circulated letter to all the affiliated colleges of the NEHU to implement new education policy from coming academic session, which is going to start from the 1st August 2023. So with this way, even I will be in position to preserve the gap between the society and the NEHU, and also with this way I can say the student of the Meghalaya will be benefited, and they have the opportunity to work with the industry, different kind of industry in the country. We already had signed more than 5 companies to develop a academia and industry relationship, and we have more than 6,000. I'm saying more than 6,000 positions for the young generation of the Meghalaya. Some for the even common graduate student, some for specific area graduate, either the tourism or the chemistry or the BTech and others, and some for the MBA student. We are just going to provide a platform and going to conduct the interview in the first week of the August.
Da kejing sngo bitar bag sarkar kalash kenteu kerdan tang ha kekerteng ya gejaka ajing sumar ha East Jantia Hills. Ha kasngi balang jangkatayau ke Jantia Students Union Kleriat Circle. Kelalit ban pendamno eka kerteng Civil Hospital kum kedak ban persajor ya kejing bamla ka sarkar jela ban penbit penbiang ya kejing dan kam ha kene ke hospital ka badan ha Kleriat. Ban ai kejing sumar ke bapaka ya kipat ba jangkatan. Kaseng Jantia Students Union po kejing ilamu Presiden jangka U El Sama Badu General Secretary wa Ajoy Mensan Lindo kilalet jurip ke Civil Hospital bani kendo yu District Medical and Health Officer bat ki Medical Officer banwat bania ekor kom trekam jogane kejaka ajung sumar hadian beladak ban kentiu kerdanya ka Community Health Center Shaka Civil Hospital. Ginong ilam kejantia Students Union kila syam bakajing kentiu kerdan kelalong tang ha ke kerteng. Amar kam syamladon setia kinu-kinu gitiar bat kijing dan kam na gebenta ban ai kejing sumar ke bapakai kipat ba. Kumta kini keseng kala syim ke senjam daga bapendam no ke kerteng Civil Hospital. Tak haduk bagi sorkar jela kan syim ya berok ke senjam ban syim kiai ke jing ke bamat daga ke hospital ha ke ban ai jing syakri ya kinong pang ha ke tan.
Nelia ong ige jesu isenjale de em tenten waga doktor kan pada nekumi ko wa to wa. Memang kamu percaya ke literal. Henry ini wani o ong ni wa to wa. Tak kata ke hel ni ke Civil Hospital ngi ke penbiang. Kamu sok ega Minister of Health, memigo penbiang. Kamu termagi perempuan dekat dengan tiral sini. Kini tak kawi ke iwa percaya.
Ha kasni palai jang katayo ke Sekolah University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM. Kabadan hakana para ha ke distrik Ribhoi. Kalapan sana me ke kerteng jang Menteri Rangba Abarem Kejela u Dr. Didi Lapang da ke baina me ke ke building da ke Dr. Didi Lapang Block. Bat yakni ke building leplehi da Dr. Didi Lapang ubelong unong ai bot barang ba jang sarkar Meghalaya.
Amenity center, and I must say, he was the fan of this campus, and you have seen he is not very well, but he came here to see the campus and give the blessings to the students. And I will be requesting former Honorable Chief Minister Dr. Didi Lapang sir to inaugurate the landmark of this campus, the amenity center, most crowded place from morning to evening, 24/7. Students assemble here, and this beautiful building will be dedicated in your name, and you will be inaugurating this building. And you see that just in the opposite side, this way 180-degree angle, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Block.
Kalong kesni kemensakan mau na kebentau Dr. Didi Lapang ubadai Menteri Rangba Abarem Kejela Meghalaya bad unong ai bot barangba ke sarkar jela kumjo eka yeng kesem jong u hagaba haka arpho tarik unaitung arhajar arpulai. Kaskolba University of Science and Technology Meghalaya USTM kala aina meka wei na jingtei ke belajar kerteng kum ka Dr. Didi Lapang Block hakane kajaka pule kabadan ha Kandai Mer Khanapara ha distrik Ribhoi. Ya kane ke blok laple perdahi da u Dr. Didi Lapang kumukongsan. Ha kejinge sakilang da Chancellor ke Sekolah USTM UM Hak uba don lang soklet uba Arbi Shadap Presiden Ribhoi Darbar nalor kibe-kibe. Ha bagran kane kesni u Chancellor UM Hak uba dairu utrai jong USTM. Ulapan pau bala aina meka wei ni gijingtai jong ne jaga pule ha ke kerteng u Dr. Didi Lapang. Kalong shibenta ban ainam bat ban sngongu ru yau senyang. Bagajing syakri ke barat ba belan nok senyang dau Dr. Didi Lapang ha kejing syakri jung u kumunong mikmat ya ka jela Meghalaya ha ki babun ki benta ha ki snam ki balalet ulo ang shosho bau Dr. Didi Lapang udo wain ki krau bala syakri rangba bat dan benta ha ki babun ki kam bat kum Menteri Rangba ke jela ha ki snam ki balalet no bat haduk menta ha kane kejing nok kartaru udang nok senyang shibon ha ka kam syakri pat ba. Na kaliang u Dr. Didi Lapang ha bakaran ka negesni ulapan pau ke jingkiman ke bakrau halor ke jinglong bakloy jong kibor ke USTM ibal aina me ke building ke ban ai ke jing syakri ha ke jing nang jing start ya ki samla pule daga bapen pau ru bakubu we ne kinong mi khmat banong syakri pat ba unyai don rengkat bat kibor ke USTM ha kinu kidu gibenta ban kentio ya ke jing nang jing start ha ke nekathan.
And you will find that most of the buildings we have given dedicated in someone's name. So Dr. Didi Lapang is one of the fan of our university. He always guide us, help us, motivate us. And then during this age, 90, he is 90 now. Aro their health to bhal na hoy, but still he has come here and he has given the blessings and has evaluated Dr. Didi Lapang.
Because there was a time long ago that this area, Iling, was under my representative Ajneme at that time. At that time, this area is very backwards and people are very, very poor. And today, I found that this has become to an educational hub, and many students and many other people from the other part of the
not only India, the world has got a chance to tell it. And Greyhound, the small portion here, because the name in India and in the world, where this university also named to be
Kaseng Hinyotrab Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Ribhoi District. Hakasni ublay jong katayo balalet kilalet ban be ikibriyo ke bayangkai halor ke jingkeng flyover ke badan umyam. Hadian beladap kapor henriu bejejan miet. Da gejing tumu ban kanglat ikinu-kinu kiriu sneo bakin le ya kinu-kinu ki kam sneo ni ki kam klem akor hakane ke jingkeng.
Ba. Hey. Mi nak hai. Hey, mi nak.
Kakenhuan jong Kaseng Hinyotrab Integrated Territorial Organization Hito Ribhoi District. Lembat ki dekat jong ki area boper gelelit ban be no ikibriyo ke bayang bam leer pengat halor ka flyover ke badan umyam. Hadian kapor ba Kaseng kelabo kum gejing mana ba kalapoi palat ikan ru bejejan miet. Hagani gejing let jong ki dekat ke Hito lasenran langru ki bor pulit ke tanat umyam. Bat layok ban be no igibreo ke belayang hajrong jong ane ka flyover bani syongkai pengat halaki kali bat don ke balawan lagi tuk ban saki gejing internet jong kamariang kam tamani ya gejing internet jong kapung umyam. La ban kedo ba Hito kelada penmi gejing mana pat ba ban kang persa gejing yang kai jong kirio pat ba halo jong ane ka flyover ke bala penmi ya ke spau trek naitung ban sya asyo igrio pat ba ban don halor ke flyover naru ke pornro bejejan miet. Kata hadir gejing saki gejing nang kieu ki kam auria nadu gejing dikiat pathar gejing berat dikejaklia ba gejing kieu jeng ki kam sneu nadu gejing syo edat bat kiwe hak badang shenru we samla uladu la gejing em hajan jogane ke flyover nagaliang working president ke Hito uba e nongro mulai thu begit khot jong Kaseng ha gejing trelang bat kador bar snong pelun bat kibor pulit ku umyam kinang pet ngor syo gejing don kiro pat ba ge bijisngau tenat banet yang kai lor ke flyover. Bat on sya asyo ipat ba banyang ngane ngajaka palat kan reu bejejan miet bat la kerpat ru gireu pat ba bagian ai gejing trelang banyada nagi jing sneu boper.
Kang. Cuan dah kiber mah bukan kali di rumah. Cukup dah kali itu sawan dah kekian mah. Pak. Sabu ke pasti sawan dah kejat mah.
Kene kejing khang persak kejungi ya ki kali benyang hane upper bridge bat kinong yang bawan bendik kia lane banwan mi kino kejing sneo kumbangilah le hak tu ke sport track ngelawan bat bo notice lengkat kejing trelang bat kebor jog kesnong bat ki longkme bat khamtam habidai bat ka police department ngi nagaleng jog Kaseng ni kerpat ya phi kum ki pai ba khamtam ya ki bre kujong hi ki bawan ban yang kai ni soba ban simlang ke kit Menurut penyandaan dengan kecil sendiri, ingin dan negara yang Kaseng lo, man kasih ini persang bani, bandekang persang, dan bahkan demi jo kecil sendiri, kumbang nak lama kini kisah beladam, lepas bisa ki, baik langsung senang, hamtam, balik ke bawah negara ini jaga, supaya kinsim, lang yang kini, kalau kubang ini negara yang itu, persang bani, nilai, bani, jada yang kini sendiri, bani, hak ini ke upper page pada website.
Kakenhuan Seng Balang Confederation of Ribhoi People Corp ha kasi balang jong katayo klalit tur sa office jong ke Indian Council for Agricultural Research ICAR ka badan umyam ban persyajur ya kejing sya wengkam ki laingut ki khasi na kene ka office sarkar klem kano kadaw Kaseng Confederation of Ribhoi People Corp Seng keme ha kakat khandai trek menaitung arajar arpulai klalit tur sa office jong Chief Administrative Officer Senior Grade UGG Harakangi Badu Goranga Ghosh ubadai Senior Finance and Accounts Officer jong ketenat Indian Council for Agricultural Research ICAR umyam bantuklar halor kejing sya wengkam jong laingut kinong trei ka ICAR kibedi khasi ha kabal syu wengkam ki klem kano rem ha kane kejing let jong kop lalam khamat do ba bandari rentatiang presiden ha kejing don langru uba pateng mersing working president nam bagi dekhot ha kamana kaliang jong Kaseng keladawa mardor ki officer badai pet jong ketenat ICAR bagi dai bentung kambiang mardor yakini laingut. Habakran biginong thok kubor uba bandari rentatiang ulepen pa gejing sokya kebajor bagajing bitar halor kejing le jong ketenat ICAR na kapor syakapor ban chuweng kam klem nongrem ignong trek hasi. Bad hagen ga kenti sai kini laingut rukumjo. Uli thu ru bakat kum gejing tip jong gaseng ka ICAR ka juweng kam kinong tre khasi tang namar gejing wan kino ki scientist na ki officer ki banaki ki jela ki juban yalam lang gi wei pat kinong tre rengkat bat kini ki officer bat bantung kam kini ki brio ki bamdei ki tra jela bat kum tala shuweng no kinong tre ki bari ki khasi. Ulong shosho baman kapor bawa jengtip halor ke jing sha weng kam klem nongrem ikinong trek hasi ke juba bagi officer keterangan ICAR ke juai kalong baga project bagi ikinong trek hasi ke jutrei kalau kutno pat kimnon pisa bansir tulap yaki kat bai ki breu ke bana shabar pat ke belashuan yalam de ki officer thamai lani ikinong trei ke bana bar ke bela trei luparu habakut kanung ke project ke jutap kampat chakawai ke project ke thamai uba bandari Ulong bat buat jengkeli balai pat bak ICAR kamla bantap kam mikini ginong tre khasi na ke projek ke berim sya ke projek ke bethamai. Syu ula pentip menakaliang Chief Administrative Officer Senior Grade ke ICAR ulong basyan unsa khod ikeji kendu ulang ban penbet mardor halugane ke jing sya weng kam jong ginong tre khasi.
Kawai te kalong ba menshwa ni Usar Chaudhry udah di in charge head division ini tang ba hadin pada mau pada in charge umla te ki aljaka te ula kan ula don na posel te gibri ula jong ula pinbiang nur te ningkong na po ni project udah na po kan di bahe jong ni project te ha meningkong pada long wanelam gibri nang tin ni kra dadap nang tu pada gibri ula jong ura biang ste long no setengah ni lain mut kan te hati itahi
Kana snem plat tre
ni kumba khalai na aja khat wela don kunja khalai snem e
kane kamde bale auto director le kita ki FO ande gede leng ba jong ki scientist apa ki pentre kano no project ki don la ki jong ki brio ki non tribal ki barjala ki pentre yang tu nda ka tu ko project kala lut pisa kam don fon chu ya ki brio le jong ki la ra no shakwe project katba ya ki khna khasi jungi ya ki lokal banang ne pan kele penban banweng na ka kam go baki ki tre takara long haba ngi don mi kisang balang ki wan ban complain singi kisang balang indangi la le jang te ngilap ya ki jing shisha indangi la kren yang menayu scientist tu Chaudhry ngila kren yu Chaudhry wang bam don fan chu te mata apa ngi wan kren yu FAO adien bo FAO la sim khai gane kam wang batang swan director pen urlong no ban ra no ikini chakwe ke project ke badon pisa te ukrem sem la weng iki te kata kade ke ba ngiyo ke kubon na FAO te ngi kermen ro balasin kong director wan ngi kermen kan wan ka kano no jing thmu ko baba nak mta penyo kam byang ikini lara kila thmu banweng ro ten re ke bang mut benong namar ba pi ke jing don jing ini ki scientist ki banabar nabar ki barjala ka ta ba ga yo kam yo jam jongi ki lokal nang ne kam ki national ne bun ba kim yo kam te kita kada ulong ni nakalang nakapor ngi wan ne ngi kerparu ya sarkar bahkan simkya halor bede begini ki central government namar ba kini ki officer ki bawan ki central government kila lemon siapa pelat haba ki sisen bagi wan tray kam lane ki wan joint tray po ICR project han ICR ki kam ki bete po ICR ki juan raru ki brio lojong ma ki penrung ki non tribal ki pentre ki ying jong ki kabra ki siu tolop lengwa ka office te ki brio jong ipat kim ju dak hamsim kele be banweng te takarau ka message ka bang kwa ban kren ne ka basai kalong balada kini ki khna jungi ki shaweng ya kam lada ka je kren jungi menta kam urlong kumbang ila kren dalele ngin mailat ngin khang tala sundan ya ka water management
ba la khatlai snem kilawan bantre hang ne po ICAR re ka basusi kalong ba nane kila pensenge yaki bakin tre dadin ba nakleng kaseng ngiyo ya ka jing ujor na kini ki parado persnam ki jongi ngiwan marmar sekene ki jaka ban ya kren bat kini ki officer sene sopo ICAR tingil lait ban ya kren ya wene ki scientist u Chaudhry henrei nakaleng ka jongu ula kren kelan bat hadin kata ngilawan ban kendu ya u CEO jong kane ka ICAR bat hadin ban nakaleng kaseng ngila pressure u ngila ikren bat ula kular ban tep kambang ya kini ki parado persnam ki jongi ki badai ki lokal lang ne te kani ka penpau ba hang ne hapo ICR ngiu ina ka por ka ba ya ki lokal jongi kinyon ki ai dau na kumne na kumtai ki be trai tinggi kwa ban kan sai sekare ka ICR ba nang ne sakmat ba kam dai su ban mi kum kane ya ki parado persnam ki jongi hapa kadon kane ka ICR hang ne ki lokal lang ne ki de banyo jimentoi om ba ki non tribal ki nyo jimentoi ya kai ka kam ka bakila kide ban aya kini ki lokal jongi nang ne tingi kwa ban kan sai ba nang ne sakmat ba kam dai su ban ja kum ne bat balada kini ki pardo persnam ki jongi kimyo ban trei ban join bang ka kam na kaleng ka seng ngin sawan bang bat kai ka bangin sale ngin sapani hek ka sngi kane kadai ka kubor ka bangin kran sakane ka ICR na markum bangi ong ba na ka por ka ja hangne ka baki be ya gini ki lokal ki banane ban trei dai na ka daw na kaleng ka seng ngimla su ban supet ngin pen ino na ka kam la na ka ta ka jing kran kambait namar ulak kular unisio ba lasi monde unsakot ya gini ki batrai hangne bakin wan join bang lada kom urlong nyikwa makersai bana kaleng keseng ginwan da kawai kalen tipat hangne apo ICR
ban ai man sia mi giwei pat ki khna bat ki samla ki batbet da ki jingela kai kilan met bapher khnang bakin la ban trishtam man poi shagathong hagani gatayo kawai ni ki dorbar shnong ka badan hagani kanong ba shlong kala pen ko buram i wei samla lot ubla job tak maksiar ha kawai kelempong ka bahe ka balalong hagani gari India Kahador basnong jayo lat dom hakaka nyotrik unai tung arajar arpulai kalayo ban pun kuburam nyaw samla dame ban merbha esbla ubla job ekatak maksiar hagajing kon India Open International Karate Championship kublalong hakanong ba Delhi hakaka nyaw bat khat pratrik unai jilio uni usamla da kajing trishtom ulayo ban khet ya uso jong kajing job bat wanra ek buram ekasnong hibro kowei La penkup buram minu samla do ba HS Marwen wari orang ba snong jong kajayau lat dom pelun. Ha ka jingi don lang kirang ba jong kasnong kilong kemelong kepa ki kun samla rengkat bat ki bahayang bahasem. Kani kadi kesian ke benengkong bakum kasnong jayau lat dom bakalayo yau niu ukun samla ubolawan ra ka jing job. Bat la penkup buram yu ke bedai bat ka karate. Ha bakran pat akan kesengi nakal yang orang ba snong uloong bagi samla jong kasnong jayau ki diban buat ikan nuksa jong niu samla. Hagajing kran beginong thok kubor na kalyang usamla dame ban merbha uloong boleh lekai nado udang don shumbash post nami ekarta shosho uloong bagajing lekai kalong kebae bat habi nujor baki wei pat gibriyo gebenabar kalong kebae namar kilong ki bakham biang bat ki belakam he bat kham jrong kumta ka syam jeng ban yakun bat ki ulaken turu ki para samla ki badan la kejong kasap ba kim dai ban plan Dari bagi ban trishtam kenang begini ban khet yau so jong kajing job
hak international kadai kasin kebenikang bang ya gold medalist
di koi mon li pi kamu kisam ki brio gimana na sama aku bat ki brio ni pom kene
ki brio bana sabar ki long competitive ki tough ka sham ka kam jinjar ka game ru bandel kai ki ba national ki kilang kam suk hi kila ki competitive kita fisani ru tamba kila kam suk kila kam da shimjin jar san banda le kai de jab ir ki bire shabar ki dan ka ki jingjrang ki la ajrang ba ben ir kam ya kalang kam ya haf su jingjrang ka shimjin jar kita hi ki jingsam jongati ka kam hi namar ki nyaban da practice nyaban biang ka practice ka ladangi la stop ka jing practice ka la kam dunai ni ka jing ka speed ki nyaban kam nyaban da practice bha kata hi kadan men champanai kan do ter bat kan nyoterik hadal hi
baru pi kan do
bat nang Nepal first round bat nang Nepal second round bat nang Sri Lanka third round tu punya kenduk para India. Ha ke final te bangai lek ka final ngai khun ngayo ngaskor be shipain shwa dina ngaskor bang shipain ka long arpain tu ada ka ngatru ngayo 3 point ngayo 5 tangkata ngai lek ka ba ka shimjin jari ban use ka king tang dah tiap lekai nama kajing jerong ki ba jerong kadang
ai kini ke sab mengayo kan iru kading bangalen ka all mekale karate do association hi lingbai sensei Stephen Leong ibedi nang kai junga dia ka team ko jongi ngi don kibai jui lekai lang banshan damang denza nang tai bahun di njur ngus kuman ai kuli sekretari ba man ngi don ka teamwork tikani ka jing kan ibu hi ba ka pau ba ka all mekale karate do association ka ding ba jing tri system ni tang aku chendai jing tri system jong association hi bro koi ding ba president secretary ba ki members ki jongi tingi la man ra uso jing jam si ha ka ni tingi yo sauli ki gold silver ngam kan ma ba chu ba ki bronze bunteli tinggi yo second runners up akan nika championship benang sudah ngila prepare mana dulu untuk North East Sports Festival ke Villa UI hang tu saya ngadi ke athletics meningkong muara bun li ke medals nang tadi ke karate ba tinggi la prepare dulu untuk pon tinggi prepare kadang selak menyu akan nika jing job ke bamen akan ni ka juai ka association dengan syubatai kindiat marngi ka association jungi karate ngimlong gi association long ki pha tang lai ngut songut le san ngut gi pha tang kindiat ngut easily ngila ban ber na dong shidong ni ka association ngi pha ye expose ni pha saupo sanpo rupong nyopo ting kum ka tu championship ka barang syudap bagujaran ni pha propongun ti ni ko ba ngin ki pha no gi senior ni pha bun ki cadet ki sub junior nang tai junior ni namar khanang ba ngin yo e talent ni dangi pha tang kanyat ngut ngila ban ber kin ni dang sisi ngila pha bun pat kala e ngi association ngin ber dan ngi ber tang si sajaru ngi saupo sanpo ngut kala apa di kanu hajar su ti ngi jo ngi ki pat teman bagi man gasnya pada ki dan ki scholarship ini sipin ka association ki sikit ya te ki sipin ni sipin nak bagi form bagi scholarship bagi yo limba jong ka government ki scholarship ki yo man gasnya nadu kitu ki snem baladap adu menta te bun ki nak ki yo te ki nak scholarship te ki bun ki la cover ki jing dek jingon ki jong ki kan ta ni suban aku beli ka government ambil kalian menta te kala atik initiative ni te manusnem ki yo ki scholarship te kala encourage te man ka baca dong katu sports di August mentala asnem naisnem tika government kelai rap ha kumju ya ka Meghalaya Olympic Association ka bela tristem nam ta ban penkiu ka sports subha ban aku beli yai president jong ka MSUE ki secretary ki members ki bela tristem sya mar kumang i menta ki la liat satu ka talent han ban jit ki kena na paro ki district kan nga aku beli kerpang wa ka MSUE baki nong trik kit kam jong ka ru kan ti thai hadin ka tu kan istem sai kari bak kajab dulu ngi CE ki klur ki ban pau hak Asian Games ki Olympic Games kan ding bak jing tracing term jong ki ni ki member jong ka ayu
ka National People's Youth Front bat ke NPP Women's Wing jong ka North Shillong constituency hak sisa jan jagateo balala kalapen ku buram yaki sawut ki samla pulia ki balawan syakmat ki eksamen HSSLC bat SSLC hak jingalang ka belalong ha Shillong Club kini kisah ungut kisah melapuli ke belasyak penkuk buram ki kentup ya utanu Shri Acharji ubalawan balai bat ke Isabella Maulong ke balawan ke kerdan ke besipau hak eksamen SSLC katba nagabenta ke eksamen HSSLC na kelas 12 la penkuk buram ya Rishab Purkayashta ubalawan ke kerdan menengkong hak ke commerce stream badu sanggam Paul ubalawan ke kerdan ke bapra hak ke science stream Presiden ke NPP North Shillong constituency ubak ransom sutengah ulong bagane gejeng penkuk buram mikini kisamla pule kedai shibenta ban aimen siameki bagani beteng ban minot chosho agejeng pule jongki kenang bagen la ban pen urlong ya gejeng temu kabaki don hagejeng im hagani kesini la penlong ru seminar halor kapang be the agent of change hagbalayo agejeng kran kerpang naga director katnat communication and training of life focus society Kalinet Johnson Kum shibenta jong gejeng rakhe kan mau buram ya kesngiyap jong klawat kari utirat sing siem. Ka Khasi Students Union North Khasi Hills District Unit hagala si uble jong katayo kala penkuk buram ya ki nyup sangut kisamla pule ke balapas bha haki eksamen bapher. Badekani gejeng ai kusnam la ai kerteng daga Father Silvanus sngi lengdo Machaprang Academic Excellence Awards ha kejeng elang ke belalong ha District Library Hanongpo. Ka Khasi Students Union North Khasi Hills District Unit kalapen ku buram ke nyup sangut kisamla pule ke balapas bha haki kerdan bapher nadok SSLC HSSLC terter hadok ke PhD daga kusnam ke belajar bar ainam daga Father Silvanus sngi lengdo Machaprang Academic Excellence Award nak bentang kesnam arhajar arpulai ya kene ke program la penlong kerpang ru akelengkho senam sngiyap kabasis pa prapupra jong tirot sing siem hag baginong yalam kaseng lembat kesamla puli ke penlong ya kejing snap jar ke bashi minit ban penpa kejing buram ban kan mau senyang jong tirot sing siem hag program ke belalong hag District Library Hanongpo lawan banedon lang hag ni kesngi da usamla syam phanglang elmo plang Vice President Berim ka KSU Sengkeme Open Shai Borlang Rani Information but Publicity Secretary ke KSU Sengkeme U Albert Sngi Lengdo Upersa Jong U Father Sngi Bamko Hidwar Ublay kinong yalam ke KSU North Khasi Hills District but kiwe Habakran negara sini nagaliang ginong yalam ka KSU kila penpau ke jingkeman ka bakrau ban saki bagi samla pulia jong ka distrik Ribhoi kila nang pau na kawai ke senam shkawai pat kamtam ka jing mi ru samla ki bala pau kerteng ha ka top 20 bat top 10 ha ki eksamen baper. Kila penpau ru bagasen jam jong ka jing pen kop buram da ka ba ainam yu father sngi kalong ba ka senghi ka buram yu senyang balano da kireu krau na ka distrik kamtam u father sngi u bala dan bentah ki babun ki liang na do ka thok katar bat ki wei ki jing shakri pat ba kamtam ru bo father sngi ula dan bentar u ka kenhon bandawa nak sarkar pedeng ban penrong ya ka ketien khasi ha ka 8th schedule jong ka riti sensyari lapan ipo ipiang akan ngasini de jing pot jing tem bat jing ruai tenrai ki bamelong Malaysian benta de samla pule ka Ribhoi Traditional Institute.
Kadang awal kaba kelayu bagi head yuso kejijok high system knowledge Andre pun kasenghi kanyai foto ya kacipre stom kajopi lemba kajikot kajopi na awi katerdan syakoi katerdan menciprai kadang de kaski luku jong padasi cinta yo snem menciprai yo pulong hakalingku siap kajongui Waktu tahu sedang kita tersisokkan bagi pelong ini program akan untuk siap jom payah diterusin pelong siswa praputra. Natrai kali kami ke coincidence mereka dari jikutu nombor kerja kedua jongi kami tahu ia kini diklor pungai di bawah akan yang menjongan. Karena saudara jisikiman habang yo banyak kendu umne. Oi shibun ike coba umka saya layak apa pada distrik before Nunswa layak untuk Masyarakat Academic Award Andre kini Islam di pemerintah bila sedang yang berpipit biang Andre syur tang benai tang momentum Andre berbiang dulu yang kisong pisah bahwa kini kisong lah pulih kam tabe buan nak kalongying kaba kam siam jini kini yo lihat yang kejirap lembaga jogi buat ujuru bagi turu sama pulih ibu yo ya ke stage kalau kembiang kita kamu apa jam top 20 buat kalian jom kasih ni naso berpisno sih sama pulih don kisama di bangi ju Arab jadi akhirnya di universiti bermi hadir bertajugi kumka universiti yang po RIS USDM uju apa jom ka universiti po Padang Gandhi Idon kisah pulih tuan atau loyi di bakam jenjar kajiyo kot iyo katola penrung yang kisah wat naso dabla cikiman bahwa kini kita Islam Islam ini kini lalong syak kita kisah pulih di rapat di robor manuat yang kam berjam katum bolong 4 kiwi di distrik wat abangi i seluruh pi yang di robor wat naso bakala bagi Ia yang pakiwi distrik, nane pakiwi pak Cai Merio, nane berkusai lagi, kadai betang namta, kusam namta kini sama pune, kibadai apa pada distrik Ribhoi kejongi, bat kibadai Cai Merio kejongi.
Haka lingko snem sngiyap ka basispa prapupra jong tirat sing siem. Haka la sngi ble jong tayo kisamla ka distrik Ribhoi kilathau ka kenhon Ribhoi People's Council. Haka jingalang ka belalong haka parish hall ka badan hanong po. Da ka jing tumu bancim kia kimat ki bakta ayu pat ba jong ka distrik Ribhoi. Haga jing rakhe ya kalengko senam sniap kabashispa prapopra jong utirat sing siem. Haga khatnyo terek unaitung arhajar arpulai kisamla ke distrik Ribhoi kilathau de kenhuan chakri patba ka belajar kerteng da ke Ribhoi People's Council. Ya ka balapan bena haga jingelang ka bakerpang balapan long haga parish hall Hanungpo. Haga ni kesingi balapan bena bantau kini ka council lawan bansa kilang da kiri utangba ka distrik Ribhoi ki betup yoba rangkensai armakdo Chief Executive Member Berim jangka KHEDC, ubah PCM u Additional SP Berim ke Distrik Ribhoi nalor kiwe-kiwe. Habakran dengan negasi wa RR Makro nangkong ulapan pau ke jingkemen bansaki dalade ya kemensian ke bersyur jangkikun samla ke badan ya kemensian mansakri ya kipat ba ke Distrik Ribhoi kam taman pet duwe ke baha kamiat jong ki emlang salang bat manrat dengkong ke jing sniu nalor manwara ki kam penroi ke ba ke Distrik ke dehok banyo. Ulapan pauru bagi distrik Ribhoi kalala berpemi shibun kinong yalam kebelan senyang syek emlang salang bat kila syakala syakri ya kebaha kamiat mentak la dipat pun samla ban mi syakmat bat banten rong lem ke jingkit clear na ke bentak distrik haki babon kiliang da ke baben rapru bakum kisamla kem dai ban susyak pengom no haki bor jong ni ngajok lewat haki bor jing sniu kum ki jing di penpuat bat kibi-kibi Haswa ban pelat ba ya ka logo jong ke Ribhoi People's Council ba RR Makdo ulapan menaru ya ke kerteng jong samla Jason Lennox nongrom kumukan Vina jong ne ka council ha ka bala IT pat ban beteng hikam kum ke jing jiet ka kenhuan ke bapura bat ikinong ket kam jong ne ka council na kaliang Jason Lennox nongrom habakran ulapan pau baganongrem balaseng ya ke ka council kelong ban kemi ki emlang salang jong ke distrik Ribhoi hagi babun ki benta bakum ki samla ki angnut ban kentiu ke distrik bat ban petlang ya kakya kason ulapan pauru bagan ke council kan bot dien ki babun ki mat kum jing dawai ke inline permit ke jing persya ki lentiral bat kiwe-kiwe Hagani kesingi belathau ke Ribhoi People's Council la sedang ya ke jing yalang da ke jing shim benta ya ke jing ruai Ribhoi Anthem ada syuaban penkut pat lai buram ya ke dur jong klawat ke jat beliau utirat sing sim kadak ban ai buram yu ha ke lengko senam singyap ka bashispa prapupra
ngala kerani pa jisom patatu ni ki jing yalang akran la mangi ngide ki boy ne nginde kata me ke jing kali ke bakrau ba ka bangibu ha preng jonga menta bang ladang yang mangi ngide ki boy yang hilapan syong rem ba kendriang upana boy war rei pat hasi baya tekan ro kan ko perkat ba mangi nginde ki boy ni ong ya ki pat dago burong ikran ba boy ni kerni pe pat hande yang yani de ni ki karo nambar bangi de ki terai boy jadi kam ong ya ki pat dago burong matren ni kata beta teladang ni ong kumta ladang yang kumta katu pe jatutin ba kendriang ko pernah boy war lalak syarut de shu pat kasih bayar ni boy tidak ada ki sebuah jing perkat babin perkat ngam jeliu ya kene kenta ngam jeliu ladang yang Ribhoi people ka kwa on keduk lang hene ba ki jai benre ki boshom hari boy barboy tami keduk boy dese kata dengan ke definition ki jonga hari boy ni don kendriang ko pernah boy war nalor kine idar sawi par jai benre parlo karbi perlu bangar hilalung tiwa kini kita hampo dari boy bari hato kini lasin nem ki boy bagi la konklux nem ki hampo dari boy lane kini nem ta ki Ribhoi peoples ande ki indigenous peoples of the Ribhoi marbe ka kran tukta nomor ba ha ka Ribhoi an jam chingi ni omba na yang font chati chate lamare nami semina mayong bab makro shamodam semi ni jer kerta ya ka mayong bab ya ka makro ka mayong gawe ka right tong kilalung ka makro dari ka makro lane makro dari ka right tong kilalung ki donso koe wa ki shisu ki right ka amjong ka sakra ka lungkoi ki turu di right ki bana hopo ka Ribhoi ki bedol la ki jong ki ima ki right te perlok be kade de ka sebuah jepat jaba kamde ka argumen ki jonga kamde ka debate ki jonga andre tangi sebuah jepat bagi sutu ia kali kitin Ribhoi peoples perlu bingok pasat ia kali dipenta bagi sutu ia kali kitin Ribhoi peoples
Haswa bine kemi ki kubor ke berangsa ngena pa haswa sipor sekini ki jing permena
Condom gives you protection from HIV, sexually transmitted infections and unwanted pregnancies. Protect yourself and your partner with consistent condom use. Avail free condoms from any of the integrated counseling and testing centers in government hospitals. Dial toll-free number 1097 to know more about HIV and AIDS.
Haswa bini kimi ki kubor berangsa ngin pen mau biang gimat bakongsan jong ka kubor benta katayo. Anthia jaka sanpo akar ke sarkar ban kentio ikam jungokai hanong mahir. Kiba persya arel kide baniwat benya anang karel na mendi pathar ong i Dr. Amperin Lingdo. Beteng gejing pen prai ki karkhana kok basnabi an ha West Khasi Hills bat East Jantia Hills. Kubaru ba AL hack ba gejing shna pen bhai ki kamra trekam ha secretariat kade gejing pen sep e ke pisau pat ba. Shihajar shpangut ki samna lapen scam ban yokam ha katnat pulet ke jela Meghalaya. Daga building belajar kerteng kerpang Dr. Didi Lapang Blok ainam ka USTM ya kejing syagwi bakordor jong Dr. Didi Lapang. Bat hiar kakam jung okai pentai ha kathan riwar batut kipat ba ha galit kawan. Ka rat nong tung ha kasimbaar jong katayo kalado no ilaw siem upayem niwel shadap. Habaulah kelat no namar kejing ban jong kejing pang bat kejing shitom ka balabat yu mentalabun banai. Bat kejing kelat no unu siem kalapan sengosi ikipat ba kamtam haba unu siem udai wasim kia bha bat ikun teng e kejing wan tombor kejela Asam syauput usam jong kipat ba kibasa hakitan kaput. Upayem karat nongtung uba niwel shadap ula klat no aga step jong kakat praterik naitung arajar arpulai hakapor kendai bejemen step hagi yang saajong hadin kejing ban kejing shitom kabala katukane benai. Uba niwel shadap udi upayem karat nongtung ublai kunteng e banyai dawan ke sarkar jela Meghalaya bagan pai kemat gijing e balamat iginong song hakatan kaput karat nongtung tang na kejing syap pentut pamana kapor hagi bor jong ka Asam. Upayem niwel shadap udairu uwe ni ginong ngelam garat nongtung bandawa ban penbet mardor ya kajeng ya ka japut bat ban penbet uput usam batikena hapreng ka Meghalaya bat ka Asam. Kam tam bandawaru bagi shnong ki bahap apok garat nongtung bakim dai bandet kejela Asam ha kajeng penbet put hapadeng kini artli ke sarkar jela kam tam kumbalai put ligi shnong ki ba angnut ban ya sok bet bat ka Meghalaya. Wat pedeng kejing longrang ba bat kejing no karta upayem niwel shadap syam la shong that ban syakri upat ba karat nongtung bat ba kino msha le ben nyamat kejing e ha gaban ka por ni urang ba ujulet ru banten ro syag district council halor kimat baper na gabenta kejing ba jeng ipat ba karat nongtung halor ki babun terli kejing dan nadia jeng u ki ban pensa akan mau yo u kejing klat no jeng ni urang ba klalong kumbatap yu lo ubadom me karat nongtung. Ndai kejing angnut jong u halor ki babun kimat kenang yai beteng ban pen urlong lang baki wei pat kinong yalam jong karat nongtung. On pendap kejing lek niam khat do ban penan buram ya upayem niwel shadap ha arpo terik unaitung arajar arpulai ha yeng sa jong u ha ompo owin ha kapor shibaje no phaisngi. Hashwa baka Sidon Secondary School kan lek yakun bat baneshim benta ha state level inter school Subroto Cup Football Tournament arajar arpulai kaban long ha kene kanong ba shalong ha kisni ba ar ki kinhon boper klalet ban kit bok kit ruyang bat ban aimen siam kinong ile kai jong kene ke school ba kin yo ra kanam la ado ha kene kejing yakop ile kai ya ke football da kamen siam kejing so kumen tang da benta ki bor jong ka Sidon Secondary School nrai na benta ka thanong po bat ke district Riboy hiber akawai Hagbagan ke skol kelapan kre ban ledmi kemat ke distrik Cekelempong ilakai football jong skol ke belatip kum ke state level inter school Subroto Cup Football Tournament arajar arpulai kaban long hakanong ba shlong nado ke arpulai terik unaitung. Hashwa ba kene kenhun ilakai football jong ki kena kan thai bahapo khanyo snam karta jong ka Sidon Secondary School bakin mi na kene ke distrik. Kibor pniat skol gilapan long ya ke program ke bekerpang ban kit bok kit ruyang. Ya kita elak kai jong neng skol le kabala penlong ha ka khat praterik unaitung arajar arpulai ha ki yang dorbar jong kusnong Sidon. Ha gning kesngi lawan ban aimen siem bat kit bok kit ruyang de giro pau kmat ka Them Riboy district ki baken top yu ba bipul thangkeu presiden ka RBYF Sengkeme kumu kongsan uba Rocky Marwen kumu sumbut kongsan uba Ike Lapang orang ba snong ka Sidon uba Sumar Langswer coach jong ka kunhun elak kai kinong elam ka RBYF ka Seng Samla Sidon bat kibai Habakran dengan program uba ike lapang orang bakšnong bat kumudukat ke komiti jong Kasaidan Secondary School. Ulapan pau ke jing kemen ke bakrau halor ke jingla jong kene kajaka ai jing nang jing start ban kot syakathong ban yo alet mi khmat ke distrik Ribhoi syakane ke lumpung ilakai football jong ki school ke ban salong ha kanong ba Shillong. Ule tho ru ba kene ke school ke dai ke brangdon hapdeng shibun ke jing duna. Nrai klem da syong thaj ka jing tristom kino hikai tang man ajing nang jing start nrai ban pelat ru iki kena pule ki beran sap ilakai football bakin la ban pun urlong ya ki jing angnut jongki. Nagaliang kirang ba ki balawan nagani kesngi ki ai ke jing ro ya ki kena ilakai jong Kasaidan Secondary School. Ki bada ke jing 3 minut jongki bat ka jing pendon kam hok elaka sap. Ba ki lala ban poi syakane ke thong. Kibor penyaat Kasaidan Secondary School lengbau principal uba James Nongsiet. Hakene kesengi kila pun kuburam ya barok ki kena elakai football jong ke school bat kila ai ku blai kerpangru bat ke jingkit bok ket ruang. Ya kitu ki riu shimet bat ki kun hon seng bhalang bat ki be ke bala kershan kene ke kun hon ha ki bobon ki liang. Kat ba ki deng shim bantah ke lempung elakai jong ke district level Subroto Cup Arhajar Arpulai.
Upper primary district Pinangdan desi ada secondary section. Kalau pinangdan di higher secondary, pinangdan kita ke kelas punya sekmat. Ni desi kita dan akan cengek apa kau kenal mesti ke football company show. Tang ke panggilan man anda dari Allah berarti berkamai. Ni dan kedua pelajar. Ni kakak klub jungi desi berfikir Ribhoi United FC. Ila sengnya ini klub bagi staff ketul ni sama dengan Ribhoi District. Hadu mentang itu pelih cemut yang girls wing. Hakan ni klub kejungi nak pelih cemut suatang yang ni males wing. Di Sindram kenapa ni kuat juga film suat. Ni kuat bermurah suai ganam baru kini tu yang Ribhoi United. Ngira yo yang kepulang baru kini itu yang kini klub but less SPSP ingin thai makro hak beri ikon mungkin thai iba bertibet ya di hak ni ti kacing siu jungi yang player kam tunai kan nyo hajar ka dibailakan ya klub jungi kam tunai ni siu hajar san spas dibailakan ya klub jungi dengan kanan sekian baka Kasaidan secondary school itu mi players but minyo yang players bertibet di nala kita pernah kini jungi.
Te parlok dak tu ngila poish ko bakut jeng thuk ko bor jengi mentaka janmiet ngi se syembeng bat pil syem tayo gejok kasngi bat ha gejok ko por kublai shibone ko por jong pi bat tiasok.